So how did you do on these 6 review questions? Please make sure you're not watching this video until you have tried them and got the answers. That's just how you're going to do really good on next week's test. So let's go ahead and tackle them. On the first one, they're asking you for the circumference, and they gave you the diameter. Remember, circumference is pi times diameter. So 3.14 times 30. And the answer I got is 94.2 inches. Okay. Number 2, you're wanting the circumference, and you were given the radius. Well, if the halfway across is 50, then all the way across this Ferris wheel is going to be 100. So pi times 100 is 314 feet. Number 3, the Euler crater has a diameter of 28. They want the distance around the crater's rim. Remember, that's just circumference. Distance around is just simply circumference. Pi times diameter. And that is 87.92 kilometers around the crater. Okay. Now, the Hubble telescope is about a cylinder. A cylinder, remember, is just kind of like a can. So it's going to have a circle here and here. Now, it is 14 foot in diameter. And they want the circumference. Well, pi times diameter. Now, this is the answer my calculator gave me, but that's not right. Correct. Read the directions. The nearest whole foot would be 44 feet. All right. Number 5, you've got a massive particle collider. I'd love to see that. No idea what that is, but it is circular, and it's built underground, and here's the diameter, and you want the circumference. So you're going to do pi times diameter. And this is the answer that I have on my calculator, but it's not what they're looking for. The nearest tenth would be 16.8 miles. And the last one is the Dome of the Pantheon in Rome. It gives you the radius, and you want the circumference. Well, if the radius is 72, remember that's halfway across. So 144 would be all the way across. Pi times diameter. Again, this is not the answer because it wants the nearest whole foot. It's looking for an answer of 452. All right, only 6 questions. Make sure you've rounded to the appropriate term before you go in and do the homework check. Now, the homework check is going to have quite a few review questions on it, so make sure you have your notes handy with all your formulas, especially the triangle. Remember, you divide by 2 on that one. Lots of you messed that up on the quiz. And also make sure you know your trapezoid formula.